Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Adobe Acrobat PDF editor. And in this video, I will show you how to find or identify font name in your PDF. So first thing first, make sure you launch the PDF just like what you see right here. Then after you open up the PDF, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and make sure you click on menu right here. So once you click on menu, come down below to protection right here. Go ahead and click on security property. Under the security property, go ahead and click on fonts. Then Adobe is going to tell you all the fonts that comprise the design in the PDF. So you can see the font name right here. So you can see some of the fonts by step and stages right here. It's that simple. So this is how to identify or how to know the font name of any PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. More tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.